ko lang. Eme! So, yun guys. Kanina pa ako actually nagising. And hiniready ko lang yung camera na ng phone ko para mag-film. And then, nagsuklay muna ako bago mag-film kasi mukha akong bruha talaga. Totoo yung sinasabi ng friends ko. Kaya, huwag kayo guys maniniwala sa mga nagsasabi na, "Hi guys, kakagising ko lang," kasi hindi yung totoo. Kasi sinet up muna nila yung camera nila or hugas muna sila ng mukha and then nag-toothbrush and then nagsuklay at lahat-lahat bago sila mag-film. So, ayun guys, ang ganap lang naman for today is sasamahan ako ng friend ko or pupunta kami ng friend ko sa Destino Brew Bar to taste their good food and their quality drinks. And I can tell naman na from the reviews of the people who have gone there before na quality yung food nila and yung drinks nila. Kaya I'm very excited. Kasamahan nyo guys kami to go there in Destino Brew Bar. See you later. Destino.
For the Destino signature coffee, it was sweet, thick, and has a rich nutty taste to it. I recommend it to people who enjoy the unique nutty flavor in their coffee. But personally, I prefer vanilla or Spanish latte. The carbonara was creamy, rich, savory, and cheesy at the same time. I can tell you it was really worth the try. Meanwhile, the garlic bread was buttery and crunchy, and so it complements the flavor of the carbonara.
Tingnan niyo yung dito, yung langaw dito, yung bangko. Rich, entitled sila dito, hindi sila nahihiya, makapal yung mukha. Yun mo. Bubugawin mo yan, ayaw umalis. Alis ka dyan. O, diba? Bet yata sila.
Tapos lagyan mo ng tali para everywhere ka pupunta, nandun din siya.
Hi, Vanessa. Vanessa. Alis ka dyan.
Alam mo si Ate Vanessa ni.
Vanessa. Tingnan mo, ayaw talaga umalis. Ganun sila ka-entitled.
Agree.
Ayan yung kapatid niya, si Vanessa.